Hello Python enthusiasts. Let us check how to compare two linked lists using Python. Suppose you have given the list 1 as having the element 1, 2, 3 and list 2 having the element 1, 2, 3, 4, and you want to compare these two linked lists and give the output whether it is identical or not identical. So we can return as a value as a 1 to show that it is two lists are identical, and we will give the 0 otherwise. Let us check the code. So this is a full code for comparing two linked lists. So I have first declared a class node, and this class node have init method, and that init method is used to initialize the attribute or the property of a node, that is nothing but the data and the next pointer. So we know that every node have a data and next pointer that will be initialized with the help of this init method. Next I have given is nothing but the class linked list. Again, in case of your class linked list, I have written the init method to initialize the starting point, or we can say the head or last node of our linked list. So that part will be initialized with the help of init method. After that, we have given the push method. Push method is used to insert a node into your linked list. So first we are going to create a new node with the help of node constructor. And after that, we are going to check whether we are adding the first node. If it is first node, we are going to set the head as well as the last node by that new node. Otherwise, if we are adding the other than first node, we are setting the last next as a new node, and we are updating the last with new node. As well as every time we need to set new node next as a none. After that, print method is given, and this print method is used to print the linked list. After that, we have given a check method, and this check method is used to compare the two linked lists. So first we will assign the L1 and L2 with head of the two linked list, and after that we will go for using a while loop for traversing our linked list. So while traversing, we are comparing the L1 data with L2 data in if condition, and if that data is not matched, in that case we will return a value as a false, and else we are going to update L1 and L2 with the help of the next pointer. So while traversing, it may happen we will reach to the end of the linked list. So in that case, we are giving the value as a return as a true. That means we traverse whole linked list and both L1 and L2 is pointing to the same node, that is nothing but the none. So in that case, your linked list is identical. After that, main driver code is given. So in that case, we have created a list one by calling a linked list constructor, and after that we have called a push method to insert a data into a linked list. After that, we have give a linked list print call just to print a linked list. After that, second linked list is created with element 4, 1, 2 and 3. After that, we have printed a list 2 just to check whether linked list is created or not. Next, we have go for calling a check method, and that check method will be called like list1.check, and we have passed the list 2. After that, whatever the result you will get in res is nothing but either true or false, and accordingly we have printed identical list or non-identical list. So let us check the output. So you can check 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3. These two linked lists are created, and definitely these two linked lists are not identical. So you will get the output as a non-identical list. After that, just we have updated the list 2 as a 1, 2, 3, and we have checked the output. So you will get the output as a it is identical list. Hope so it is clear to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.